Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Aphrodisiac.
Let's break it down.
This word looks complicated, but it flows smoothly when broken down. The correct way is aphrodisiac. Start with aph, then ro, add d, flow into z, and finish with ac. Together, aphrodisiac. Now, let's practice it 3 times together. Ready? Aphrodisiac. 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 Got it right? Then you just mastered a word that sounds as powerful as its meaning.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Aphrodisiac. 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 Aphrodisiac.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.